Hi guys, I'm teacher Queenie, your soul art teacher. Do you still remember what we had learned for last week? Fish. Today, I'm going to share with you how to draw a plant. Shall we begin? Let me take the orange color. I'm going to draw two rocks at the bottom here. You can make the round shape of the rock. Okay, after this, I'm going to change the color by using green. One tip for you is to draw a S shape here so that we know where the plant grows to. Okay? Next, I can start from the first leaf. It looks like water drop. After the dark green, I'm going to use a middle green. Followed by a lighter green. Okay, then you can repeat the same color. Try to not make it too neat or consistent so that we can see there is a variation and it looks more natural, right? And I can draw one more here. And the last one, the last leaf at the top, we can make it a single leaf. Okay? Can follow? After this, I'm going to add the details. Maybe I can go for orange color. Maybe just here. One curve with a dot. One curve with a dot. Okay? Maybe you can skip here. One curve and a dot. One curve and a dot. Okay, next, I'm going to change it to a darker orange. The purpose of using different toning is to give more colorful to your artwork. Ta-da! Actually, we have completed the first plant, and I'm going to add more stones on the left and right so that it looks more completed. Maybe I can change to this dark green here. We start with drawing some stones. Okay, the first layer is completed. Now we can proceed to the second layer. It is okay if there is a smaller stone. Okay, you just need to do it slowly. At the bottom here, it can be half of the stone. You no need to be like a full complete circle shaped. We can just make it like this. Ta-da! Can follow? Okay, next, I'm going to add 3 simple grass here with orange color. Okay, you can draw above the stone here, right? Okay, next, we can overlap it. Okay, one more, maybe that's lighter orange. You can draw it slightly to the right hand side. Okay, next we can add some little dots on this grass. This is a very simple exercise for you to come out with grass. Okay, next one, you just need to repeat the same dots and try to make it there is a consistent gap. And when you come to here, right, you need to be very careful so that it won't be too complicated. We can like skip this part and jump into the top area. Okay, next one. Almost finished. Ta-da! There you go. So this is the plant created using green color and also orange color combination. I'm trying to show you a full composition so that you get the idea of how can you combine the grass with some stones. Okay? If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Never stop learning because life never stops teaching. I will see you again. Bye.